Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna be using OpenPeps. So it's just a file with a lot of SVGs. The file is gonna be available for these programs, and what I'm gonna be trying to do. Okay, it's a CC0 license. So thank you, Pablo Stanley. I'm just gonna try to make a. Let me check if there's someone. No, never mind. I'll just try to make a JavaScript library out of this so that I can use it with this chat that I've been working on the last 5 days. So till now I can connect. So yeah, let's see how this is gonna work out. So for this, I don't know if I'm gonna go with a new. Okay, let me just first I'm gonna open this and export the stuff that I need. So as you can see, oh, this is the second version because there is a first version which was just black and white, and the second version they've added the colors. What you have is like right here, so you can choose a body color, and you have all the faces, beard, face hair, facial hair, accessories, and heads. Then you can choose a body, and or that there are other heads also available. So I'll be mainly using these, maybe the busts, yeah, but yeah, most I think I'm just gonna go with the heads, faces, and facial hair and accessories for this one. So this is the kind of you can end up with. There is a huge variety of people. Also, I think it can change the skin palette. Haven't figured out how to do that yet. But yeah, so I'm gonna start by going to the project, and I'm just gonna create a new file. I'll call it OpenPeps. New folder. I mean, new folder. Like this, and I'm just gonna throw inside all these. So first I'm gonna export the faces. Wait, let me see if it's gonna export them. SVG. optimize file size, and src open Peeps. Just create a new folder, faces, create, and I'm just gonna export everything inside. Just go back. Okay, got all the faces out. Do the same thing for this. Export up, new folder, export accessories. Wait, new folder. Export this. And the last faces. Head. Export. I might need to faces rename. Just gonna remove, make them S's. Great. Just add a new file. No, call this open gs. Okay. So I have two ways of importing an SVG. Either I fetch it from online. This means all these. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, got the thing. I'm gonna just take this folder, the whole of it, and I'm gonna put it where is it? Components, routes. Yeah, I'm gonna put it inside assets. Just take this. Oh god, nah. Put it inside my assets file. So I got all this. Take out the open Peeps file. Assets, open Peeps. I'll throw this back inside src and add it to the components. Okay, now I got this. So I think, okay, I'm just gonna use the names that they've been exported as. Still streaming online. Yeah, so instead of having these human pictures, I'm gonna use open pips as a default thing to be used. So I think I'm just gonna go like this. Face. I need the face. I need the head. I need the face. And a head. No. Okay, and from this, I'm just gonna face and create a face element. I'm just gonna fetch quick fix. Take this away. I'm gonna fetch the face name, so it's gonna be as dash god dash face. So we have face element, head element, and facial hair. Wait for this. Okay, so this one is gonna be this is accessory. Great. Once I have this, let me take copy, rename, a copy. Let's say this is gonna be the default face. default feature, but and this is for my head. And last thing, accessory name, copy and paste. Okay, here I should get all of them. Oh, I don't know if I should use this one. Okay, anyway, just gonna go ahead, remove this part, take out this thing, and just console log everything, make sure I'm getting the right stuff, and I'm just gonna create a test page. Login, just a new page. I'm gonna call it open peeps.js. And it's gonna just be a div. Here's where I'm gonna do all my tests. And add it to my routes. Okay. Great. Just gonna reload this and go to the page I just created, which is right. Okay. Oh. I should have done this way back. I just need to add rerouting. I'm gonna find this. Make it fast. This and src lab. Okay, great. Do this at last. Index. Document application path name. Okay. Here am I. So okay, I'm just gonna require open tabs equals require components and open tabs. I'm just gonna use this. Anyway, this I'll be removing this page. This is just for me to test stuff out. Oh, and oh god, how am I gonna do this? Just gonna okay, because the problem is that oh, I know how I'm gonna do this. Instead of doing it like this, I'm just gonna wrap all these calls inside the same function, remove this part here, add this, and take this thing away. Great. And just launch. Okay, great. Cannot read property face, open define. Okay. Get request. And I'm just gonna call. Okay, I might. It's undefined. Yeah, I need to give it an object. Cool. This seems to be working. Just instead of fetching this, I need to change them to text. Same here. And here. I like this auto completion. Works really well. So load the stuff again. Okay, so something failed miserably. Text here again also. Okay. I don't think I'm fetching the right thing. Oh, I know. So I need to be in assets, and I forgot about open Peeps. Copy. Is okay. We can see that one of them did not work out. This piece. Yeah. I don't know why I'm getting some JavaScript from this thing. Okay, that's weird. I think I'm gonna need to remove this whole script part. It's because of the live reloading plugin that I'm using, which does not help me this much right now, because I just need the SVG part. Just this without the whole live reload thing. But anyway, let's see if I can do something with this. So once I get these, I can transform them. Face instead of this is element, I'm just gonna call this SVG, and face element equals HTML. Face. Okay, I need to remove this code injected with by live server because this is not supposed to be here. Uh, Let me change the settings. Use the setting to disable. Live server. Live server settings. Custom browser. Okay, I'm just gonna settings. And anything that stops SVG. Stop. Go live again. Close this. Reload. Come on. Okay, weird. Okay. That's weird. But anyway, now that I have the SVG file, I need to extract just the path. And for that, I'm gonna just check online. SVG, yes. Content document. Okay. So to get the path, space path equal space element like this. I guess query selector will work well. Let's see if I can do this. This and I'm just gonna add anyway, I need to get the path, and technically face path. Let's see. Mm, um, um, okay, that's weird. Okay, I can get it like this. Okay, I'm gonna take a small break. Oh, at the VPN from Dominican Republic. Oh, I just saw this message. I'm sorry. And also my friend has been texting me, telling me that, oh, please stop blocking your videos from other countries. I don't know how to unlock them. I don't know, because last time I was streaming, um, I had some music, and YouTube blocked most of my videos. You Let me see. I'm gonna try figuring out what happened. Yeah. Sorry for this. I hope I can figure this out before tomorrow. Anyway, I'm getting some calls. I'm just gonna take a 5 minutes break. I'll be right back. 5 minutes. I figure out how to get the path. Once I get the path, I hope it's gonna be easier to like paste them in here and use layers. Use a segment Z index or something else like this to position them. Once I have this, I'll just make it available from here so that people can change their user profile picture. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll be right back. Mm. Hello. I'm back again. Okay. So I don't know how every one of these things is made. So what I'm gonna use this function is gonna return all the paths, and I'm just gonna do this HTML this way, and oh god, this way, and put this inside a group. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the head. Because I think some of them might have more than one path inside. So I'm just trying to figure out this. Like, for this head, for example, I have two groups. I don't know if this is gonna work out anyway, but just just trying out. I'm going to repeat the same thing for the facial hair. Path. And last one is gonna be for accessories. Accessory path, and I'll be using this, that. Yeah. So most of them have one path, but apparently the second one, which is the head, can have more than one path. So I hope the only stuff that's inside are paths, because sometimes you can have circles and all that. I'm just gonna yeah, this is what I mean. Just gonna create a SVG. And I'm just gonna add inside all the stuff. So face path, head path, facial hair, and accessory. And I think head the head path should be first. Head then face, accessories, and once this element, just a div with the class of open Peeps. And I'm just gonna return double element. Once I get all of these, I'm gonna append child svg element. Great. This is not gonna do anything besides just getting the svg. Now I'm just going to need to add some properties to the svg path. Let's see if I just add that. Okay. Take out the group stuff. Let's see how this works. I've already tried to do this thing, but I ended up not doing it because I didn't like the fact that there was no colors on it in Peps. Now they've added colors. I thought I'd reuse the thing. I'm just gonna copy this part because I remember that this thing worked out pretty well. Yeah, for my SVG thing. Mm, doesn't seem like this is working well for this one. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, now I get the child nodes instead of this. Okay, I'm just gonna be trying stuff again and again. Update the head element, child nodes, change this. Okay, finally got to get the head on this thing. Okay, so I get the head. Just gonna do the same thing for the face. I need space and same thing. From face element, child nodes, group. Okay. The face is right here. So my thing is that I need to figure out how to position this face, this square here, to be at the exact the right spot, no matter how you scale up or down the face. But for now, I'm just gonna add the other stuff. Face. Wait. I might need this thing. Facial hair. Tones. Wait. And Last is going to be a group with the ID accessory. And say right from accessory element of the child nodes. Okay. So I got a lot of stuff to work with and try to position them right. Transform, translate. How is this? Is this moving? Properties. Percent. Yeah. Okay. I really need to figure out how this was. This needs to be translated. What is this? Facial hair. Which one did I get? A batch. Facial hair is Jim. Just gonna check this on XD. Oh, I got the first one, this one. Does it look right? Yep. Okay. I don't think these hit and hate and are useful anymore. Oh, they were useful. Okay. Okay. I think I'm gonna have a problem positioning everything right and keep it there. So either I'm gonna go with the creation tool where you can select your stuff and position them, but I don't think it should be that hard to generate them using JavaScript. And I think every face is supposed to be the right place on its own. Okay. Uh, um, okay. I think I'm gonna use the drag and drop approach of this. Uh, transform model. So they all have a translate by default, but I have no idea how to transform none. How is this going to change anything? And face. Okay, so all of them end up in this top corner. Okay. I'm just gonna take a break because I'm getting a lot of calls. I'll be right back in like half an hour or something, depending. And also I need to feed my cat, so I'm sorry this video was not interesting at all, I guess. But I'm gonna try to figure out this before I come back, because I've tried days before, 2-3 days before I start this. I was like, let me try this before I make a stream out of it. I didn't figure out anything. I really need to read the whole documentation of how SVG works. At least like what does view box change and height and positioning, so that I manage to change the faces more easily. Because the thing is that everything seems to be positioned in a certain way that it should make stuff easier to position later on. So you can see that the size also is fixed size. But yeah, I'm just gonna try to fix this before I come back, and I'll be back in like half an hour or something. Have a good day, guys.